The low glycemic index diet and its benefits for diabetics. The popular low glycemic index diet is certainly nothing new and is proven to work both as a weight loss plan and in controlling diabetes. An astounding number of Americans currently suffer from diabetes, a good majority of which experience symptoms due to improper weight management. This lower GI diet is especially helpful to diabetics because it incorporates foods with a low glycemic index to control the amount of sugars and carbohydrates your body is forced to regulate. If you have been diagnosed with diabetes or are looking to create a healthy lifestyle and manage your weight, speak with your primary physician about beginning a proper glycemic index diet. The best benefits of starting a glycemic index diet for diabetics include the inclusion of some carbohydrates. Individuals with diabetes are severely discouraged from beginning a diet that restricts the intake of carbohydrates. Even though your carbohydrate level should be monitored since your body turns most carbs into sugar, every adult diet should include at least 130 grams of carbohydrates each day. Since this diet only includes foods that can be successfully processed by a diabetic's body, your body will not have to try to process foods that can be potentially harmful. The quality foods included on the glycemic index diet. The foods allowed on the glycemic index diet are wholesome and healthy. Many fresh fruits and vegetables are included in the diet, as well as whole grains and lean meats. This diet will allow you to eat healthy, and therefore to lead a healthier lifestyle. Furthermore, many of your favorite foods are on the glycemic index diet list, so you can still enjoy the occasional treat. The prevention of other diseases. The low glycemic index diet also affects the body in the prevention of other diseases besides diabetes. Speaking with this professional individual will allow you to completely understand the correct way of beginning the diet and ensure the diet will work best for someone in your situation. Furthermore, you will want to address any potential medical problems that may result from beginning a low glycemic index diet to ensure that you will remain healthy while seeking to begin a better lifestyle. Remember, the low glycemic index diet is not a typical diet. Instead, it is a lifestyle change. Once you begin your trip down this road, you should strive to remain on the diet on a long-term basis.